What's up? It's your boy back at you with another fucking episode from Broke Ass Boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. At your local ghetto fucking car wash. Had to spray the fucking whip off real quick. You know, had to give it a little spray. I washed it 6 times this week. Fucking Christ. Funny story just now. I'm over here at our local shit ass mall. I'm just cruising through about second gear, just creeping, you know, not trying to bring any attention to myself. I got this fucking Squidbilly. He's fucking dressed up in fucking a towing uniform, fucking reflectors everywhere, looking like a fucking idiot. With his fucking Hogzilla girlfriend, you know. He's got his fucking camo hat on, fish hook, you know, on his fucking Lamborghinis, you know, with a fucking towing outfit on. Yeah, what's up, babe? Fucking little Squidbilly. So, I'm just creeping by, see him, you know, whatever. Don't think nothing of it. Next thing I know, I got this fucking Huckbilly going fucking, yeah, spin the fucking tires, dude. And I'm like, what the fuck is this clown ass fucking doing? So he stops for a minute, so I'm like, alright, so maybe he wasn't directed towards me. Even though I know my stone ass knows there's not a fucking other car in sight that he would want to fucking do that to. So, I pretend like I didn't see him, you know. Hoping, alright, you know, whatever. Next thing I know, as I'm getting closer to him, fucking, yo, dude, get burning tires, dude, right fucking fucking tires, dog. So I stop right dead center. He's fucking, yeah, right about that. So I stop, my window's down, so I'm bumping some fucking SoundCloud tubes. Fucking, I go, fuck you, dude. And he's like, what the fuck? And I'm like, get the fuck out. Fucking dude's walking around with a towing outfit on. Get that shit right. Local ghetto wash, that's what I'm talking about. Oh man. Yo, dude. And for 2, no jumper. Josh, 23-1, just did an interview. Shit was cool. I watched it. 2 of my faves going at it. You know, not going at it, but having an interview with each other. Shit is sick. I can't wait to get that caliber. Yeah, ghetto watch. That's what I'm talking about. Had some dude ask me the other day for his opinion on what to do to his car. You know, I hate when anybody wants my opinion on any fucking thing. Car, tattoo, fucking anything. I hate giving it because you know what? Oh shit, I'm knocking bitch ass out, that motherfucker. Pigeon ass bitch. But yeah, because I'm gonna give you my opinion, you're gonna turn around and look at me and say, I'm gonna do what I want anyway. Why the fuck do you bother asking me? Because now that's 28 seconds of my life I'm never gonna fucking get back because you wanna be an asshole. Whatever. Better shut the fuck up there, man. Fucking around with your ass. Yeah, man. I fucking ran my lip over today on my way home from work. Yes, sir, I did. I did do that. I'm just hoping the fucking screws didn't hit my fucking wheels. Yeah, I hope not. That's what I'm hoping for. You know. That's just what I'm hoping for. I just hope my fucking wheels will be straight, not that they're fucking cool or anything. You know. Not that they're fucking cool or anything. Yeah, man. Woo! Hey, some kid just stopped me up at the mall, man. Fucking local kid. I know of him. You know, just gave me a dad fucking thumbs up on the ride. We get mad thumbs up, you know, it's crazy fucking Because I haven't gotten this much hype on one of my cars since way back when I was fucking rocking EK Civics and shit with V16s in them. Which, don't get me wrong, I still fuck with one. I would love an EF, like I said, man. EF with a K or fucking, at least a fucking TSR. But, cambered out as a motherfucker. Yes, sir. That's what I like. I'd like a lot of things that my fucking dumb, white, broke ass can't have. I don't know, it looks good, right? It looks alright. Fuck yeah. Camera Gang, Slam City, rep the brand. Slam City is mine. Fuck, I'd like to see it pick up and move somewhere. Yes, sir. Bang time. It's alright. What's the hell, breaks a neck or two a day. People hate. That's alright. I dig it. I'm with it. Fuck 'em. Fucking Blair. Woo! I got my chest appointment. Yeah, my chest tattoo appointment. That is next week. Yes, I will be bringing you along for bits and pieces of it. Yeah. So, until next time. Stay humble, stay true, stay yourself.